So hey guys, today we are going to a Superdrug PR event. Obviously I wasn't invited, I'm not on my PR, but I'm going to try and do a little bit of networking, get goodie bags and just see what it's all about. So I'm taking you guys with me on my way. I wasn't going to go because the weather has been disgusting, but it stopped raining. I checked the map, the weather app. It said that it's not gonna rain throughout the whole of today. So fingers crossed it actually doesn't rain. But no, yeah. Hope we have some fun. And yeah, leg out. My eyelashes are like proper heavy, so it's making me feel like I'm high or like I'm tired. But I'm not, it's just like because they're so heavy. My mum's actually away, so I've been home alone for the weekend. Mum went away with her friends, and my sister is at uni, so she's at her uni accommodation. So it's literally just been me. I've only had one friend over, which was Rihanna. She came to visit me. You know, we chilled a little bit, all that kind of good stuff, and yeah, we're currently walking to the train station. I'm gonna get the train to London Bridge, and then from London Bridge I get off, then I take a train straight to Shoreditch, which, not a train, sorry, I take a bus. So from London Bridge I take a bus straight to Shoreditch, and then yeah, the bus drops me like right in front of the place. So yeah, after I might go and get some sushi because I'm so hungry. So hungry. So I might get some sushi. Just left. Let me zoom out. Oh, okay, it's already zoomed out. But just left. Literally, this goodie bag that they're giving me is so heavy. So when we get home, we will see what's inside. But I tried my best to catch it as much. I didn't know it was gonna be that bad. Yeah, it was alright. The only thing I would say is, like, if you ever go to one of those events, yeah, take someone with you to take pictures. Because me, yeah, I have a shy side that no one, like, people don't believe that I have, but I have a shy side. So yeah, I was too scared to ask people to take pictures of me, but there were like like they had like this little swing area that I wanted to take a picture. It was just so nice. And then I didn't know that I could take freebies until I got my hair done. And I said to the woman, oh, how much is it? She's like, oh yeah, it's free, you can take it, it's free. Yeah, I took that shit. I took that shit. So yeah, going home now. I'm gonna try to see if the sushi shop's open, but I doubt it because it's Sunday. Oh girl, she's hungry. She's hungry. Look at my eye. Okay guys, so I'm currently lost. I went to get sushi because that's what I want for dinner tonight. So I went to go find sushi. Now for me to find a bus stop, the original bus stop is out of service. They're renovating it. So for me to find the next bus stop, I can't find the next bus stop. I'm confused. But yeah, I got my sushi and I went to M&S to buy some water because I'm thirsty. And yeah, I'm gonna try to find this bus stop. Okay guys, so all the things that I got in my, so guys, I'm eating crisps right now, Marks and Spencer's, because you know I'm rich like that. But no, this is what got in the goodie bag. Eyeshadow, we've got the colours, and we've got the neutrals over there, the cools, and then got some vagina pads, for your vagina. We got, what's her name? Jennifer Lopez's new perfume. They were showing this. There was a store there, a special store that they had for Jennifer Lopez, and they were showing this. So I think this is a new perfume. Got some Aussie shampoo, moist. Moist. What's this? Got some shower gel, that's good. Tanning. I don't tan, but you know, it is what it is. What else did I get? Oh, I already stole this. I stole this already from them. But looks like I got another one. Got some, what's right? What is this? Oh, anti-makeup brush sanitizer. Oh, I've always wanted one. Oh, okay. What is this? Volumizing powder. I don't need this, but this could probably come in handy for my weeks. Hair oil. Oh, okay. From Palmer's. Got some nail polish. What's this? Touch-up cream. Don't know what that is. This is what's in my hair right now. This is what they put in my hair. This glitter gel thing. Oh, butter gloss, and it's brown in the shade Ginger Snap. Can you see? Is it going focus? No, but this is in the shade Ginger Snap. What else is this? Eye makeup remover. Squeeze me to the last drop. Got some eyelash glue. Got some not eyelashes. Just eyelash, because it's not ugly. Gentle pink. Ooh, okay, got some teeth whitening stuff. Elf face primer. Ooh, this is expensive already. Even conditioner. This shit's expensive. From when you see sheer moisture, just know that shit's expensive. Got a beauty blender. You can always, you can never have too many beauty blenders. I mean, what is this? Whitening strips. Okay. And self-tanning. I'm definitely going to be tanning myself. Got some nail stuff, nail fantasies. Oh, these look cute. I'm going to put these on my nails. So this is all I got. It says everything was worth up to 150. I will be the judge of that. What's this? This is mascara. Okay. But yeah, guys, I'm going to end. This is my hair, by the way. But I'm gonna end this vlog here. this day here. Hope you guys have enjoyed. Say hi. Hello. Hello, hi. Hello, I. Hello, I. Hello, I. Hello, I. Hello. Okay, guys. I'm gonna end it here. See you guys when I see you. I'm gonna say bye, Mom. Oh. Oh. No, she doesn't want to say bye. She doesn't respect me. If she did, she'll say bye to you guys, you know. But she doesn't respect me. So.